Welcome. Let's make some Christmas jam and let's can it. First, you want to cut up some strawberries. I use fresh. You can also use frozen. We're just going to get those cut up and cleaned. And then I'm adding in 1 bag of fresh cranberries to my blender, and then I'm adding in my strawberries. We're going to go ahead and just pulse that. You want it to be fairly thin. You can keep some chunks if that's your preference. Go right ahead. Get your jars into your water bath. Get those heated up and boiling for 10 minutes. Pour your puree now into a nice, thick, big pot. We're just going to add in some spices, very Christmassy flavors. Give that a stir. And then we're going to add in a whole bunch of sugar. And I know it looks like a lot, but you do need it. Give that a stir. Put it back on the heat. Bring it back to a boil. And you're going to boil that for 1 minute. And then you want to remove it from the heat. We're going to add in our liquid pectin. Give that a stir. And then we're going to get it back onto the heat, bring it back up to a boil. It's not going to take too long to get there. And then boil it for 1 more minute. And then you're going to remove it from the heat and let it sit for 5 minutes. And then you can go ahead and you can skim off that foam there from the top. Then we're going to take out our hot jars. And then we're just going to go ahead and ladle in our Christmas jam into those hot jars, leaving 1/4 of an inch headspace. I did a half a recipe here. So that just shows you it's a very large amount. This is great for holiday gifts. I still have plenty for holiday gifts, and that was with halving the recipe, although I've been eating this jam nonstop. It's delicious. So I may actually need to make more. Go ahead and get those lids on finger tight. Put them into your water bath and process them for 10 minutes. I set my timer just to make sure I don't get distracted and forget. And then you want to just let them sit in the water for 5 minutes, and then you can go ahead and remove them, let them cool. And then since this is Christmas gifts, I figured I'd put a little Christmas cheer on them. And they came out adorable. Nobody loves a homemade gift better than anything else. These are made with love, and everybody on your Christmas list is going to be thrilled to get one. I hope you love it. Come back and see me again, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks so much.